Want to experience satisfaction like this when removing paint? Keep watching and we'll tell you how. In part 1 of our guide to using PeelAway, we tested both products from the PeelAway 1 and 7 test kit to decide which would be best suited for paint stripping on this door, which is covered in years of old paint. Based on the test results and with no way of knowing whether any of the layers might contain lead, we decided to continue with PeelAway 1. Application is exactly the same as before. Apply a generous even coat across all areas to be stripped. Once applied, cover the surface with large pieces of the correct PeelAway sheeting. Now, when we returned after 6 hours, you could clearly see PeelAway doing its job behind the sheet. However, as it was still quite wet, we decided to leave it for a bit longer. And this was the result coming back to it the next day. A hugely satisfying sight with the old layers of paint lifting away easily. Even better, PeelAway safely neutralises old lead-based paint, meaning no dust, no potentially harmful debris, and no really messy cleanup. And it's all done using a low VOC paint stripping system. After removing the residue, the door was treated with a spray coat of neutralizer, followed by a good sand. The transformation speaks for itself. With far less effort and mess than traditional paint strippers or the dreaded heat gun. And remember, PeelAway isn't just for wood. It can also be used to remove paint from masonry and metal surfaces. We hope you found this helpful, but if you need more advice, our paint and wood care experts are always at the end of the phone on 01303 477 555.